So before we get into the Structure Selector Pro course module, I wanted to go over the framework for the Structure Selector Pro. This is the bankable business blueprint. This is how you're going to start your business off with a strong foundation and actually set yourself up to become bankable so people can give you money. So it's an 11-step framework, and each video will explain to you how you do each one of the items that I did to actually start off with a strong foundation. So let's get straight into it. The first one is the Profit Ready Plan. This one is going to give you an overall view of how you can create your value proposition. This is not an in-depth course. You will actually get all of the tools and information inside of course module 4, the Market Monster. But briefly, we're going to give you an overall understanding of why it's important for you to create your value proposition inside of a crowded market. The second step is you're going to name it to win it. I'm going to show you how you choose a bankable business name. You want a name that's not going to raise red flags, so when they hear it, they say, yes, I want to give that guy money. Step 3 in the framework is how you're going to lock in your legal structure. We're going to show you how you register that corporation once you get that business bankable name. Step 4 in the framework is the federal fingerprint. We're going to show you how you get your EIN 100% free. Step 5 is the money hub that works. I'm going to show you the business bank accounts that I set up and how I structure it and how I move money around to keep my bank rating high. And step 6 in the framework is your corporate credit key. We're going to show you how you get your DUNS number. This is how you can actually start to get federal projects, federal funding, and open up business credit. Step 7 is numbers that matter. We're going to show you what type of accounting system we use and give you some suggestions on what you could use. But most importantly, you're going to have to find an account. We have some accounts that you can use as well. And step 8 is command from anywhere. We're going to show you the importance of why you need a virtual address. You don't want to be using your home address or PO box. Step 9 in the framework is ring in professionalism. We're going to show you why you need a business phone system and get off your cell phone. Step 10 in the framework, we're going to show you how you can get paid without paying, the types of credit card processing centers you should use, and how you can get funding if you have a certain amount going through them each year. And lastly, the last part of the framework is the brand credibility quick start. We're going to show you how you get your URL. We're going to show you how you get a domain name, business email, and how to start off to build your brand identity. So now that's the framework that you got for the overall understanding of the Structure Selector Pro, so that way you can start off with a strong foundation. I didn't have this when I was growing up. There was no tools. Everything was a freestyle. But being that I've been in business for over a decade, I created this framework to make it easier for you, so that way I take away all of the guesswork. So why wait? Let's get started.